Hi! Now I'm making breakfast recipe. What is that recipe? Tomato bath. That's ingredients for tomato bath. Bombay rava 1 cup. Chana seeds, cashew nuts, salt, black seeds, red seeds, curly seeds, jeera, oil, coriander leaves, curry leaves, carrot, tomato, one green chili, and onion. These vegetables have to cut. I'm not cut this. I'm cutting my fingers cut. Oh no. Good idea. Mom, please cut the vegetables.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Nice cutting, Mom. Exact, Mom. Oh, next, tomato. Mom, first carrot. No. First onion, next tomato. Next carrot. Cut the tomato. Cut the tomato. Cut the tomato. Give it the tomato, please, Mom. Okay, Minanu.
Okay, Minu. Take it.
Thank you. Cut the onion. Cut.
Onion is very powerful. Green chili cut like this, okay?
Okay.
Take this, Minu.
Thanks, Mom. First, I put small bowl. Next, this one. First, I put oil. Next, jeera. Next, mustard. 1 spoon chana seed. 1 spoon cashew nuts. Next, curry leaves. Mix it. Onions, carrots, carrots, tomatoes, green chili. Also, all this. Let's mix all together. One spoon salt. Let's try and mix. Mix slowly. Mix slowly. All are frying. Let's throw some water. 1 cup Bombay rava, so 2 cups of water. Wow, water start boiling here. Next, I put Bombay rava. Slowly mix. Mix, Mom. Because you are packing in the fridge. You are so slowly doing that, naughty. That is so unfair with the Upma. Mix. The carrots, onions, tomatoes, all mix into the night, going into the rubber. Upma starting, open it. Upma starting, open it. Upma starting, open it. Upma starting, open it. Open my mouth and put ginger and eating ginger rowdy. Have fun up and over and then take it big one. Okay, take out my plate. Okay, friends, take out the first 1 spoon rava, 1 spoon upma, 2 spoon upma, Oh. Spoon Upma. It's enough. That's eating time. A lot. Wow, look at Coca-Cola.